Hey lovies, I'm back with another video. Thank you all for tuning in, and if you are new here, don't forget to support your sis for more videos. Today I'm going to show you how to extract your okra gel and use it for detangler and conditioner. So guys, I have to wash my okra. You know we can't use it directly. We have to wash your okra. So just go ahead and start to slice. It's super easy to prepare. And guys, just please stay to the end. If you want to retain length, so this video is for you. Let me go straight and talk about okra a little bit. Okra is rich in vitamin A, C, and K, and has calcium, potassium, and lots of other nutrients that are really great for our natural hair. It moisturizes a dry scalp, gets rid of dandruff, and also keep your hair beautiful, shine, and softer. You can see how slimy it is. This contains a lot of nutrients. So let's talk about the benefits of okra on our hair. It restores hair damaged by chemical, such as high temperature tools like hair dryer, flat iron, or curly irons. Okay, so guys, if you know your hair is really damaged or dry, this okra is for you. It conditions the hair, it moisturizes dry itchy scalp, it fights against dandruff and other root problems. Okay, it promotes hair shine and softness, which I have said before. All the benefits from okra promote hair growth. So if you need this okra, just go ahead and grab yours.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile, look deep in your eyes. I'll ease your mind, kiss you just right. Whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. It's funny how you came across my path, yeah. I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you'll ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know. Ooh, I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all 'Cause baby, this love was made just for you. I promise you, baby, that I won't waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. Make sure you're safe, make sure you're satisfied, love.